Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So the today's topic is sanitization of cars. What has happened is there are a lot of SOPs for people. That is, you have to wear your mask, you have to wash your hands for 20 seconds, you have to follow social distancing or what you call the physical distancing. But there are no such SOPs for a car or anything related to car. So here I am going to give you some preventive tips which can be implemented to take care of your car and prevent it from getting affected from the virus. So let's start with the video. So guys, the first thing which you have to do is you have to clean the car from inside. A wet cleaning or a dry cleaning will do, so that the dust and the leftovers go out of your car. You have to always keep a sanitizer handy so that it can be used whenever required. But one thing you have to keep into account, that you don't have to keep it overnight or for longer period whenever you park your car, because the sanitizer has alcohol content in it, and due to its inflammable nature, you are putting your car at risk and others' cars also. So this you have to take into account. Please follow it. You can make use of isopropyl alcoholic cleaners, which can be used to clean your outer metal, outer plastic and the inner plastic, also the doors and the windscreens or the glasses. Please make sure that this will not discolor your car or do any harm to the plastics. So that you have to take into account, and you have to check the ingredients in it. You can Google it, and if it fits the plastic, then there is no problem. For cleaning related to leather seats or leather upholstery, or for that matter any fabric, please don't make use of these alcohol based cleaners, because they may damage the texture or damage the whole thing as the seats. So for cleaning of such items, you can use a simple solution of soap and water, and with that you can clean it. Please don't make use of bleach or any toxic substance to clean your car, because it may damage your car or discolor your car from outside, and that damage will be irreplaceable. So please don't do that sort of cleaning. So guys, now I will tell you the points where generally a person touches while entering or exiting the car. So the first is the handle. We generally pull the handle and open the door. So you have to sanitize the outer handle as well as the inner handle of the door, because that also is important. The next thing is the steering, because we generally put our hands on the steering. Then there is gear knob. Then there are AC functions and the AC vents as well. Then there is the infotainment system. We generally go for some music. Nowadays we generally use wipers because of the monsoon season, so the wiper and the indicator knob, so both these have to be sanitized. Also the power window module has to be sanitized, because we generally pull down the windows or pull it up. Then there is the inside mirror, IRVM, which we call, so that we have to sanitize, because we generally adjust it while sitting. So these are the basic points where we have to take care and we have to sanitize it. Avoid giving lifts to the people who you know. Obviously, apart from your family, I know they may be good people, and also I know that I am talking against humanity, but for the betterment of you and the other person as well, you have to take this step. When you finally park your car for the day, you have to sanitize all the touch points which I have told you earlier in this video, so that there is no chance of the virus getting anywhere near. And finally, please wash your hands for 20 seconds. Please wear your mask, follow social distancing, and stay safe, drive safe. And those people who have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel Obsessive Car Desires and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Also, I am on Instagram now under the same name, Obsessive Car Desires, so please follow us there also. Till then, stay safe. Tada!